Hello, my name is MD Simon Mia. I am a graduate student in Department of Pharmaceutical Science in North Dakota State University. My poster is entitled with Integrin beta 1 promotes tumor growth in pancreatic cancer by upregulating kinin-2 mediated cell signaling. Desmoplasia is a characteristic of most of the solid tumors, specifically pancreatic tumor. Among different solid tumors, pancreatic cancer has a high mortality rate, and 92% of the patient dies within 5 years of diagnosis. In United States, approximately 57,000 people died with pancreatic cancer in 2020. In our study, we focused on finding involvement of pro-tumorigenic integrin beta-1 with different extracellular metrics and how it affects the tumor growth and metastasis in pancreatic cancer. We used MIAPACA2 cell line for pancreatic cancer cell model and generated integrin beta-1 knockout MIAPACA2 cell line using CRISPR-Cas9 plasmid. At the beginning of our experiment, we found out there is an upregulation of integrin beta-1 and alpha-5 in primary pancreatic tumor compared to normal pancreatic tissue. We also found out that the expression of integrin beta-1 is negatively correlated with the survival of the patient. With the knockout of integrin beta-1, we found out there is a significant downregulation of integrin alpha-5 in Western blotting as well as qPCR. With the downregulation of heterogenic integrin alpha-5 and beta-1, we found significant decrease in percent cell adhesion in vitronectin and fibronectin. All these data are shown in figure 2. In figure 3, which shows that there is a significant decrease in tumor growth with the downregulation of integrin beta-1. Phosphopaxillin is considered as a focal adhesion marker. With the downregulation of integrin beta-1, we found there is a defective focal adhesion. We also performed spreading assay as a functional study and found out there is a significant downregulation of cell spreading with integrin beta-1 knockout both in vitronectin and fibronectin, which is shown in figure 5 and 6. Kinin is one of the adapter protein that interact with integrin and facilitate cellular function. With the knockout of integrin beta-1, we found out downregulation of kinin-2, which might be leading to decreased pro-tumorigenic signaling pathway. In my future study, I will be looking further into these signaling pathways. In the end, I would like to thank the funding agencies COBRE and Dakota CPR support. Thank you.